Getty Garden Vineyards welcomes the artwork of the exciting and talented Monica Stewart to the Craft Cellars Art of Networking event. This is Janice Montgomery Albo-Kai-Strauser, and I'm looking forward to meeting each of you at our next Art of Networking virtual wine tasting event. Until then, remember this: nothing beats a failure but a try. Take care, stay safe, and goodbye for now. Bye now.